guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Dev and today we are back with another unboxing of a smartwatch. So this here is the Noise ColorFit Vision 2. This is a fitness smartwatch and this has a very good feature that I will tell you in a bit, but let's first show you around the box. So designed in India, so this is a made in India smartwatch, but of course you know it's the parts are all bought from Chinese and they assemble it here. So anyways, let's go ahead. ET Awards 2019, India's most promising brand. Yeah, that's one thing. Firebolt and Noise these days are selling like hotcakes. They have surpassed Apple also, the number of smartwatches that they sell. Anyways, the color of this is olive green. For a change, we have not got to the black. This is a green one. MRP of this is listed as 6,999, but I got this for around 3,499. That was of course during the Independence Day sale. Right now it is going for around 4,900. So yeah, the features of this 1.78 AMOLED touchscreen, and this is what I was talking about. Usually at this price point you get LCD screens, but this one has an AMOLED touchscreen, so that's the primary reason I went for this. And the resolution of this is 368 into 448 pixel, always on display. Of course, since it's AMOLED, it will have always on display. Blood oxygen monitor, so SpO2, SMS calls and SMS quick reply, 30 sports mode, of course reminders, 24/7 heart monitor, and customized watch face, of course. But I think this does not have Bluetooth calling from the watch itself, which we saw a little while back in one of the options that we did. That was the Ring Pro from Firebolt. We have it here for comparison purposes, so I'll put the link of that somewhere above the unboxing video. Do check it out if you haven't till now. It's a very good one. So and now let's just go ahead and unbox this and see what is in the box. Usual plastic wrapping. Lights off. So I would like one thing, the packaging is actually matched with the color of the smartwatch that is inside, so olive green. And let's see, this come down. Yeah, of course, bit different. OLED covered like this. We have, I hope this is some documentation. All right, let's see what this is. So watch faces, what is the features, and it's quite long, what's in the box, etc, etc. So let's keep this aside. Register your warranty. There's a warranty card and some stickers. These are always welcome. What does it say? Noise maker, Suno Dil Ka Shor. Nice. Listen to the noise within and noise. So you can stick this wherever you like to. All right, now okay, let's see our main watch here. And right, this is the charging cable. So, and this is our smartwatch. Let's see how this looks. Okay, nice big screen, very beautiful color, nice soft rubber strap, something written here, listen to the noise within again. And we have the sensors here, SpO2 and heart rate sensors, and this is the charging port. And this is just one single button here, clicky. I actually like the color, really quite nice. Let's see if it has some charge in it, and let's have a look at that beautiful OLED screen. Alright, so just right off the box it says to pair and device information. So we have to set this up. So anyways, we'll do that later on. And just to show you again, this is the one that was mentioning. Just look at the difference. Look at the whites in this OLED. The whites and the blacks, it actually matters in the OLED and LCD screen. So this is the Ring Pro from Firebolt, and you can see the difference. But yeah, but I actually prefer the build quality of the Firebolt. Anyways, we'll do a full comparison video of this. Stay tuned for that. And let me just show you the magnetic charger once. Let us see how strong is the magnet. Okay, USB A, and this is the magnet. Quite generic. This actually reminds me of the Firebolt charger. So let's see, opposite side. Yeah, not bad. It's actually stronger than the one that was in the Firebolt. I think it will also work here. Yeah. Yeah, little bit. Yeah. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, check out one of our latest videos here, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. Bye and take care.